Hello, in front of me I've got POCO M5s. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app. Tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant. Go to Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back, enter lock screen, and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow in Celsius? Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 9 and a low of 4.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.